Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be giving out a free Discord template for anyone to use. It has fully set up roles, moderation tools, and channels that you can just swap out for whatever you want. So if you want to get this, keep watching until the very end. So quickly before we go, do me a massive favor, drop a like and please subscribe with notifications on. This really helps me because it makes me want to actually get up in the morning and create videos instead of just playing video games on the weekends. So if you do that, you'll see more videos like this more regularly. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do to get this template is you're going to need to look into the description or the comment section and look for a link. The link should be easily seeable and it will have like a Discord link. What you need to do is you need to click that. If you're unable to click it, copy and paste it into your web browser. Once you do that, it should open you up on Discord like this. So this is the server template. Change the name of the server if you want to, change it to whatever you want it to be, upload your own server icon, and over here on the left hand side, just change the channel names over here, change them to whatever you want it to be. You can do whatever you want, it's your server now. Please remember that roles have been set up, so roles like moderator you can give out to your friends or people you trust to look after the server while you're away. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments if you've used this server, and tell me what you're doing with it. Tell me if you're making it a gaming server, if you're making it a server about your YouTube channel. Just tell me in the comments and I'll have a look at it. Alright, see you guys, thank you so much for watching, drop a like, subscribe, and peace out.